Hong Jung-sung as a Renovated painter known for his captivating artwork that blend traditional and contemporary elements, born on July 15, 1980s in Seoul, South Korea. Sung displayed a passion for art from an early age. His journey as a painter has been marked by experimentation, innovation, and a deep exploration of his cultural roots. Sung's fascinations with art began during his childhood, where he would spend countless hours sketching and paintings. Recognizing his talent, his parents encouraged him to pursue his passion and enrolled him in art classes. Under the guidance of skilled instructors, Sung beyond his skill and developed a unique style that would later become his trademark. After completing his formal education, Sung embarked on a quest of explore different artistic techniques and philosophies. He traveled extensively, immersing himself in various cultures, studying the works of renowned artists and experimenting with different mediums. This period of exploration allowed him to expand his artistic horizons, of develop a profound understanding of the universal language of art. Sung's work often draw inspiration from nature separately and the human condition. He combines traditional Asian aesthetic with modern influence, creating a harmonious fusion that resonates with viewers. His paintings are characterized by bold brushwork, vibrant colors, and a dynamic energy that captures the essence of his subjects. One of the recurring themes in Sung's art is the exploration of identity and cultural heritage. Growing up in South Korea, Sung was deeply connected to his country's rich history and traditions. Sung's artistic process is deeply introspective and meditative. He believes in the transformative power of the art and view each painting as a spiritual journey. Before starting a new piece, he takes time to reflect, meditate, and connect with his inner self. This practice allows him to infuse his artwork with deep emotion and a scene of profound separately. Hong Sung's journey as a painter continues to evolve with each new artwork, pursuing boundaries and challenging conventions through his art. He invites viewers to embark on a visual and emotional exploring the beauty, complexities, and interconnectedness of the human experience.